We are going to continue with the time series data analysis. Uh, we are looking at the smart infrastructure analysis of the data from public network, transport network in Auckland. So now we looked at decomposing the the data values, the original data values into HDL decomposition and also the seasonal underscore decompose. And we checked that the original values equal to the trend values plus the seasonal values plus the residual. And HDL decomposition and the seasonal underscore decompose are very different in terms of the seasonal graph. So now in this lab we will look at the missing values and what we do in cases of missing values. What do we take off the whole rows, or we fill it with a value computed from different models, and we use that data for data analysis. So that's what we are looking at in this lab, the missing values. Sometimes or often the time series will have missing data. There are a few options for infilling. Setting to 0. This may be incorrect though. Replace with the series mean. Likely to be incorrect if the time series is non-stationary. So avoid where possible. Interpolation. Infill, a wide range of techniques to do this. Let's do some infilling of our dataset. We will read the same time series dataset as previously, but with some information missing. And we will infill data using a few different methods. So we'll import some library functions. So we will import scipy.interpolate. From scipy.interpolate, import inter p1d. From sklearn.matrix, import mean underscore squared underscore error. Import random. Show working. Let complete equal pandas.read underscore excel of the missing data.xlsx. Complete.head of breaker 10 will give the first 10 lines of the complete data frame. And we see this is the complete data frame. The complete data frame does not have it has the month year column, and it is a complete column, and it is a missing column. So the complete column does not contain any missing values, but the missing column contains the missing values. So let's have a look. So complete we want to see if there is any missing values in the complete column. So is NA and when we run this we get so this is the data frame, and gives us error. So in the complete data frame, complete, what's wrong? So complete doesn't gives us error. Let's have a look if this works. Has no attribute complete. Complete does not have attribute complete. So what's this? It has an attribute complete. Let's have a look if this works. No, has no attribute complete. Oh wow. So it gives us error for only looking at so let's have a look at the whole complete table is NA, open and close bracket. Let's look at this. Okay, so any and then bracket axis equal 1. This takes us to the columns. Let's have a look. And then we want the row to be printed. So it's not right because missing column has the missing values. It's not working at the moment. Let's proceed to the okay. So let's proceed to the next to the other working over here. Complete, let complete equal pandas dot read underscore excel of missing data dot xlx, comma, let index underscore call equal month dash year. So the month dash year, printing the first 10 lines by passing the command complete dot head in the brackets will put 10. So month dash year is the index column and complete and missing are the columns in the data frame. So let's see if this works. So we want to print all the rows that contains the missing values. Is NA open and close bracket dot NE open bracket axis equal 1. Okay, so we have some missing values here in 2005, 2006. All these are missing values, but that's in missing column, and the complete column has doesn't have any missing values. So only the missing column has the missing values. Now show working. So let complete equal pandas dot read underscore excel of missing data dot xlsx, comma, let index underscore call equal month dash year. Dot drop columns equal bracket square bracket missing. So complete dot head in the brackets will have 10, and this prints the first 10 lines. So what happens is that here we have dropped the missing column, and this data frame is for complete. And then we read the data. We will need to change the file path. So let complete equal pandas.read underscore excel of missing data.xls x comma index underscore call equal month dash year dot drop columns bracket columns equal square bracket missing dot rename bracket columns equal, then we'll put a curly braces for the dictionary, complete colon value. So the column that was that had complete written is now renamed as value. Printing the first 10 lines, complete dot head of 10 gives us this. So it prints the first 10 lines. And now let missing equal pandas.read underscore excel of missing data.xls x, printing the first 10 lines by passing the command missing.head of 10 that prints the data from the missing data file. And we can see there are 3 columns: month dash year, complete, and missing. Now in the next command, let missing equal pandas.read underscore excel of missing data.xls x comma let index call underscore call equal month dash year, printing the first 10 lines by passing the command missing.head of 10 that prints the first 10 lines. So we can see that month dash year is the index, and there are 2 columns, complete and missing. Then let missing equal pandas.read underscore excel of missing data.xls x comma let index underscore call equal month dash year dot drop bracket columns equal square bracket complete. Missing dot head of 10 will print the first 10 lines, and this is how it looks. So let missing equal pandas.read underscore excel of missing data.xls x comma let index underscore call equal month dash year dot drop columns equal complete dot rename bracket columns equal dictionary missing column value. So the missing the column heading that was missing is now reading value, and printing the first 10 lines missing dot head of bracket 10 prints this. So let's look at the graph. Let fig comma x is equal plt dot subplots of we want one subplot. So 1 row 1 column, fig size equal width is 10 comma height is 12. plt.rc prums dot update of curly braces xtick dot bottom column colon false. So now we plot actual data plot. So complete dot plot we'll put a title equal actual. Actually, we can do this another way. So we can say label. We don't because they are plotted on the same plot, so having a title for separate plots doesn't make sense, because we are plotting on one graph, so we need to have a one title for both of these plots. So label equal available data, and we will remove this label equal actual, and for missing plot we will have label equal, so these are the legend labels, and we will have missing data. And we'll remove this label, and instead of putting access legend and in bracket the title, we already have the labels for each plot, so we just have to call access.legend open and close bracket, and then we will put a common title, access set underscore title. So set underscore title access dot set underscore title, we will put actual complete available data and missing data, and plt.show open and close bracket. So let's have a look at that. So I'm missing, I do have 3 colors, complete, missing, value. Complete, we will have the name of the column, value, and missing, we will have the name of the column, value. Let's see. Okay, Vasera. So let's have a look. Complete, and missing, complete doesn't have any column value, missing has a column value. So where is the complete we wanted? This one. We have to run this. Okay, now before we print, let's check it. Yeah, it is the column value. So yeah, so this should work now. And as you can see, the title is actual available data and missing data, and the legend, the red color is for available data and the green color is for missing data. So these the green color, you can see missing data, and the red color is the available data.